Sweet Seattle Solo Jazz 3, the Big Apple. This is week number 4, and we finished the routine. So after the Shorty George section, we're going to start to kick with our left foot on 7-8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kick, step, right and right. Left and a left. 2 to the front and 2 to the back. Rock, step, step, knee. A step, step, knee. A step, step, knee. A step, step. Cross, step up, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in, kick, step, kick, and a hop, hop, rock, kick, step, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in, kick, step, kick, and a hop, hop, rock, kick, step, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, fall off the together, apart, together, back it up, back it up, back it up, and freestyle, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half break, kick will change and turn around. Break a leg, break a leg, break a leg, and there we go. The Big Apple, week number 4.